Let's make this budget-friendly 3-ingredient M&M slice. Hey there, welcome! Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the M&M slice, you'll need one 250 gram packet of Arrowroot biscuits, one 395 gram tin of condensed milk, and 1 cup of mini M&Ms. Remove 3 tablespoons of the M&Ms into a separate bowl. Either crush biscuits into a fine crumb by hand or in a blender. Tell me in the comments below if you have a favourite slice recipe. Place biscuit crumb into a large bowl. Add the mini M&Ms to the biscuit crumb. Keep the 3 tablespoons aside. Add the tin of condensed milk. Stir the 3 ingredients together. Line a 33 by 23 centimetre baking pan with baking paper. Pour the M&M mixture into the pan and press the slice firmly into the pan. Sprinkle the remaining mini M&Ms over the top of the slice. Gently press M&Ms to embed. Cook in the oven for 15 minutes. When cooked, leave to cool for 10 minutes. The 3-ingredient M&M slice is a great treat. You could even pack them in your lunchbox.